I have written almost 5,000 lines of CSS in my custom CSS area. Just an unbelievable amount. Some might say too much. I have tinkered and written and built a lot of different things in here. My current self is a little frustrated with my past self for not keeping this more organized, but c'est la vie. This is where we are today. One problem I have run into, though, is you can't search the custom CSS area until now. Typically, you would hit like Command F or something, and this search bar would come up here, but it wouldn't search within here. It would only search just the little bit up top, but then it wouldn't search anything else down below. So you would really run into some issues with that. So I have built a search component for your custom CSS area. So you can type something in and search through all the different instances of that word right in here, which has been very helpful as Squarespace has been updating some things right now with regards to their products. They're moving from products V1 over to products V2. And with this migration, they're changing a lot of the classes within there. So everything that is prefixed with product item is changing to a prefix of just product. So I had to go through all of my custom CSS and update that, but I couldn't search for anything prefixed with that product item. But now with this, I can just type in product item, find each instance, and I'll just change it to product. Boom, super easy. And now we can go to our next one. So you can do this for each one. So this is very helpful for this current transition that Squarespace is doing. And they might be doing future ones. Who knows? I'm sure they're going to be updating things, other stuff as time goes on. And I'm sure you will want to be updating other stuff as time goes on. So this search component is going to be free for everyone. If you are a Code Curious member, if you are in my membership, you have access to our Chrome extension right here, and you can just go to the Explore Code and grab the installation instructions right there. All you need to do is drop this script in your site footer code injection area. It's very straightforward. And if you're not in my membership, consider becoming a member. That would be great. But I'm also going to give this to you for free as well. There's a link down below if you're watching on YouTube where you can get these instructions. All right, if this was helpful, do the whole like this video and subscribe to my channel type thing. Otherwise, let me know if you run into any issues. I will be updating my search feature code while you are updating your code for all these Squarespace changes. All right, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.